Don't let him leave the house.
It can't move as long as we're looking at it, right? That's what it says?
Yeah.
I'm gonna find Sean. I don't know why he did this, but I'm gonna find out. One of us has to stay and watch it.
What? No. Don't leave me alone here with this thing.
It's fine. We don't even know what it is, okay? It could be harmless.
Is that what you think?
You know it has to be me, right? You heard what Sean said.
Not let you leave the house. That's exactly what it wants.